Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram error message that says we restrict certain activity to protect our community. If you're getting this Instagram action blocked error, just follow the steps I'm going to show you to remove it. As we can see, this is how the error usually appears. Try again later. We restrict certain activity to protect our community. This issue often happens when you're spamming comments on Instagram, sending too many messages, or performing actions too quickly. What Instagram considers suspicious activity. If you want to fix this Instagram restriction problem, here are some simple solutions. Wait it out. Sometimes the best fix for this Instagram temporary block is just waiting. After a short time, try commenting or messaging again, and it should work. Log out and log back in. Logging out can help reset your activity. Go to your profile. Tap the top right eye. Scroll down and under Login, tap Log Out or Log Out All Accounts. Sign back in to check if the Instagram Try Again Later error is gone. Restart your phone. This can fix minor bugs that may be causing the Instagram We Restrict Activity error. Clear your Instagram cache. Open Settings. Go to Apps or Applications. Search for Instagram. Tap on it. Scroll to Storage and tap Clear Cache. This can help fix the We Restrict Certain Activity Instagram bug. That's it for today's video. If you're still facing the Instagram restriction message, try these steps over time to regain full access. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.